My soul is free.
Okay, that's great.
Gwaza Mkhonto. Gwaza Mkhonto. Gwaza Mkhonto. Gwaza Mkhonto. Gwaza Mkhonto. Say no, no. Gwaza Mkhonto. Gwaza Mkhonto. Say no, no. Yo, say no to poverty. Everybody in the game want the policy. Looking for us thinking that properly. Junta gonna take over their property. But I told y'all this is life. It's still the best when I've been liking this. I told y'all that if y'all go buy some Mkhonto, you pay lower food prices. This is the way that this fight is, kid. Now they got those in the fighting game. People saying there's a fight to rid. I ride it, but your life is hit. Off the top of the dome, they say I'm stuck in the zone. Now they knowing how I'm dropping it up on the dome. We get it better when you rock. We will give you a better life. Now we give you a better life. So open your mind and look what you see inside of your thoughts. We're giving you sight. Yes, this shit like it bright. If you thought we part of the light, they say it's day and night. We play the fight. We play this life alright. So Gwaza Mkhonto. Gwaza Mkhonto. Say no, no. Gwaza Mkhonto. Gwaza Mkhonto. Say no, no. Gwaza Mkhonto.
Wow, one love, brother.
Gwaza Mkhonto. Gwaza Mkhonto. Jay-Z, y'all see how we get lazy. In this game on the daily, people say we rap and go crazy. So Jay-Z just told us how we gotta go and fold up. All the cats in the industry trying to rap and show us how they sold us. So Gwaza Mkhonto, and then you get Gwaza Mkhonto. Junta when the game gotta show y'all that I'll Gwaza in your poncho. Okay, they want, oh no, no, but I